Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 9th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I wanted to start here because I do think that we're in a flat. I think it's more likely going to turn into an expanding flat, pushing down to the 161, 178 because of where I think this 1-2 structure is. I think we're currently in a wave three, and I think it's likely going to end up eventually over the next several weeks looking something like this on the daily time frame, which means on the 4 hour to 1 hour time frame, for the most part, you should continue to see lower lows, lower highs. So if that information is correct, which I think it is, that means that we definitely want to be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. We want to be looking to go short on all these little pullbacks that we see on these sort of time frames. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short now. The best thing we can hope for is that it does start another move to the upside, because if it does, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement out there, look for a potential three-way pullback, look for an engulfing move at a Fibonacci level for more sorting opportunities based on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.